Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to use Focus Assist on Windows 10 and 11. The processes are really simple and similar on Windows 10 and 11, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that or how to use Focus Assist on Windows 11, and the process is similar to Windows 10 as well. So at first you must go into your settings and you can easily click your directly focus assist and you'll see many things right here. Or if you don't want to do that, you can go to system right here on system and you'll see focus assist at fourth right here. And after you're here, this is everything that you can do with focus assist. So what focus assist does is that when you are on full screen, the notifications will not pop up and only the notification that you allow them will pop up, such as the priorities or your alarms. Only these will pop up as you customize them. You can even customize your priority right here. The calls, the text and reminders can be shown on focus assist, and the notification from these apps will show if your focus assist is turned on. And you can even add an app. You can choose from all the apps that is on your PC or your desktop. So you can even set rules here. During these times you can even set time, or when you are duplicating your display, or when you're playing game, or you when you're playing, or when you're using the app on full screen, or the first hour after a Windows feature update. So this is all, and you can even turn on or off your focus assist. You don't need to click that because I'm teaching you right here, and to off that you just click on this off and your all of them will be gone. I taught this on my previous video as well, and if you guys check that, you learned how to turn off or deactivate your Focus Assist on Windows 10 and 11, and I believe I've taught you guys how to use Focus Assist on Windows 10 and 11. The processes are similar, and I believe I've taught you guys something. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.